Hi guys, my name is Simmi and today I'm joined here with, what's your name?
Hero.
What are we gonna do today?
Play dash.
Yeah, we're gonna unwrap this for you guys. I hope you guys are excited. I know Hero is. Hero, you're excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. You wanna open it?
Yes.
Dude, what's inside?
Toys.
What is it?
This block.
What is that?
A block toy.
Yeah, it's Lego. Look, there's so many pieces. There's 277 pieces. That's so many.
This is from me.
Yeah, it's for you. Where did we get it from?
Toys.
Yeah, we got from Toys R Us. Here, you open this one, I'll open this one. I'm gonna dump it.
And make it. Yeah.
Oh my god! There's another box. Can we open this one too?
Yeah. Wait.
Here, what are you doing?
Making something else.
More colors in here.
Open it.
Look at this book. Look. There's so many puzzles. Oh my god. Okay, are you ready?
We're gonna make Lego.
Yeah, we're gonna make Lego. Okay, let's start off with step number 1.
I'm just coming.
Here, can you find me this piece? Where's this piece?
Come here.
Where is it? This one's brown. Can you find me the brown one?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. Should we open this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this one.
No.
Snip, snip, snip. Is this one the right piece?
Yeah.
Okay, Hero, can you find me this piece?
Yes.
Where is it?
I do.
Good job. What color is it?
It's brown.
Yeah, it's brown. Okay, let's go to step number 2. Can you put it over here? Up, like, wait 1 second. Like this. Good job. Okay, let's go to step number 4. Hero, can you find me this piece?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right there.
What color is this?
White.
Good job. Can you put it upside down over here? One more. Push it one more up. Hero, can you find me this piece?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
That's this one. Can you find me the blue one?
Where's the stripes here?
Good job. Okay, let's join them. Okay, let's go to the next step. Here, can you turn this over for me? Can you flip it over? Good job. We need 2 brown pieces. Where are they? Right here. Where's it come from? Here? Can you press that down? Good job.
Bye, friends. I'll be back. See you next time. Catch on watching.
For the finished product, please don't forget to tune in to our next video. Bye!